Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to make pancakes using pancake mix. All right, first things first, it's going to have that nice little circular pattern. We're going to show you how to pour that. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to get the mix out and you're going to put some into the bowl. All right, next you're going to get out some vegetable oil and you're going to go ahead and put that in there as well. That's the big secret to making those taste like the restaurant. Yum, yum, yum. All right, so you're gonna put that much in there. I put a little too much, so I added just a tiny bit more of the mix right there. Now you're gonna make sure that the water that you're gonna add to this is a nice warm, not boiling hot, but definitely not lukewarm. You want warm because warm helps it move better and it makes it a lot smoother. All right, now we're gonna start mixing this in. I tend to kind of break it up like that first, and then I get to doing all the mixing, just so that I know that it's nice and smooth and it makes it very, very easy to work with. Now it's time to mix. So I'm just mixing, making sure that there's no lumps or anything like that. And I just really take my time with it because the smoother, the better. Okay, now we're just about there. It's still a little thick, so I'm gonna add a little bit more water and then stir it again. Do you see how it's starting to thicken up? Yep. Now that is exactly what I want it to look like. So nice. It has a nice little thickness to it, but still it's smooth and it's workable. All right, that's what you want it to look like exactly. Ugh. All right, quick reminder, we want it to look like this when we pour it. So to get those circles, we're gonna preheat the pan, and then now we're gonna just spoon in 3 spoonfuls of it. So we start in the middle. Then again, we start the pour again in the center of it, and it'll come out. And then I'm going to do one more in the center to get it that nice circular pattern that you see in the different, pancake houses. All right, so now we're going to just wait there for a moment just to see that it starts to have like the bubbles. And so once you start to have the bubbles, it's almost time to turn it. You see that? Very, very nice. And that's how it turned out. Let me show you one more time. All right, so this is just a slightly different angle. All right, so now you're gonna put that in the center. And then you're gonna spoon some more in the center. And then you're gonna do that last spoonful again. All right, now you're gonna let it set up there for a minute. Again, you're gonna allow the bubbles to come to the surface and see it start to get a little firmer, but not too firm because you wanna flip it. As you see, that's what it should look like. Okay, here's the next one. I'm just flipping it over. You guys, I wish you could smell it. It smells so, so good. See, that's what it looks like. So pretty. And again, that is the final look of it. And here it is. You just like to put a little butter on there. And then of course, you've got to have your syrup. Yum, yum, yum. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back with more soon.